Take a ride in the 2020 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, fog lamps, fourth passenger door. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.